Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily create Poche, architectural section or section perspective. So we start off and we have this basic section perspective that I made in SketchUp, exported as a PDF. Now that we have it in Photoshop, we can easily do this by just creating a new layer. Name this Poche. And then we can go into our image that we're trying to poche and just click over here and grab the magic wand tool. And then just click where the section is being cut, hold down shift, and then we can click all these places wherever it's being cut. Go. Now once we have that selected, we go to our layer that's labeled Poche, and this is all in an individual selection, so there you can see it. And then we're just gonna grab our paintbrush tool and paint over it. Then we just deselect that, and there we have it. We can even go in and adjust the opacity, soften it. That's all there is to it, guys. Thank you.